Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we are discussing about the theory of the basic accounting. What is the theory of the basic accounting? The theory of the accountancy explains and the principles and the rule and the guidelines are the form to the developing and the generating changes. It's a time to time because the principles and the concept and the rule of the accounting guidelines are the change due to the it's vary the place to place. There is a different situations and the method of the handling the situations are the different. So the principles and the guidelines is a change to the different times and different place to different bring the uniformness and the consistency in the period of accountancy. इसलिए जरूरी है कि इसको हम कंसिस्टेंस करें, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा इसके फ्लक्चुएशंस नहीं होना चाहिए। अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स के अंदर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएशंस नहीं होना चाहिए। कॉन्सेप्ट जो है हमारे यहाँ कह सकते हैं कि अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट जो है उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा वेरिएशंस नहीं होना चाहिए। इनहांस यूटिलिटी ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशंस टू यूज़ द अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशंस, और जैसे जैसे हम अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, उसको बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए हमको क्या करना होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन को जो है हमको कलेक्ट करना होगा, इसको बेहतर तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना होगा। सेट अ यूनिवर्सल गाइडलाइन टू रिकॉर्ड द ट्रांजेक्शंस एंड इवेंट्स, और एक ऐसा गाइडलाइन तैयार करना होगा, एक यूनिवर्सल गाइडलाइन जिसको पूरी दुनिया में मान्यताएँ मिली हुई हैं और जिसको पूरी दुनिया मानता हो, एक ऐसा गाइडलाइन तैयार करना चाहिए जिसके कारण क्या होता है कि हमारा जो अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है वो डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में या डिफरेंट जगहों पर जो है वो अलग अलग होता है। इसलिए पूरी दुनिया में एक ऐसा सेटअप तैयार करना चाहिए जिससे क्या हो कि अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स या अकाउंटिंग ट्रांजेक्शन्स जो हैं वो प्रॉपर यूनिवर्सल वाइज एक ही तरह से इसको रिकॉर्ड किया जाए। तो लेट अस वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड about the different concepts of the accounting. Those concepts are used of recording the business transactions properly. Why we use the accounting concept? It is a very clear due to the different principles, due to the different guidelines, due to different situations, the principles are the varies. But all the accounting concept basically try to record are efficient a business transactions which used to a different manner. It's a create a financial statement and the accounting informations in the best possible manner. All the accounting concept basically consists to the prepare the accounting transactions in the best manner. So let us try to understand about the some accounting concept which are the measure to the disadvantage. The first accounting concept is the business entity concept. This concept treated a business as a separate identity from its owner. All the business transactions are recorded in the book of business from the business point of view, not to the owner's point of view. इस कॉन्सेप्ट का मानना है कि एक बिजनेस का जो आइडेंटिटी है या बिजनेस के जो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं वो ऑनर के एस्पेक्ट्स आइडेंटिटी से अलग है, दोनों का आइडेंटिटी अलग अलग है। यानी बिजनेस का अपना एक इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी है जिसके हिसाब से उसकी एक अलग पहचान है, ऑनर की एक अलग पहचान है। इसलिए बिजनेस और ऑनर को आपस में जोड़ा नहीं जा सकता, दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए काम करते हैं लेकिन दोनों का एस्पेक्ट इक्वल नहीं है, दोनों अलग अलग हैं, जैसे दोनों अलग अलग व्यक्ति हैं। और इस कारण हम कह सकते हैं कि इस एस्पेक्ट के अंदर जो बिजनेस के लायबिलिटीज़ हैं या जो बिजनेस के एसेट्स हैं वो बिजनेस को होते हैं, और बिजनेस के जो एक्सपेंडिचर्स हैं या बिजनेस की जो इनकम है उनको बिजनेस के एस्पेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग टू रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, न कि उसको ऑनर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है। जैसे स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विथ कैश, Ram started business with cash. Ram is the owner of the business and its business name is Lakshmi Lal and Sons. The Lakshmi Lal and Sons is the business and the Ram is the proprietor owner of the business. But Lakshmi Lal and Sons has the individual aspect and Ram has the individual aspect. So this concept totally divide to the owners concept and the ownership of the business concept is totally different. Owner is separate and the business is separate. Next concept, money measurement concept. Money measurement concept, according to this concept, all those transactions and events are recorded in the book of accounts in which a money value is ahead or which can be the expressed in the monetary term. अब ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बिजनेस के ट्रांजेक्शन्स को रिकॉर्ड करने का, इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि हम बिजनेस में सिर्फ उसी ट्रांजेक्शन्स को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे जिसको हम मॉनेटरी टर्म में वैल्यूएट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज अगर हम मॉनेटरी टर्म में इसको कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते तो ऐसे ट्रांजेक्शन्स को हम किसी बिजनेस के बुक में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे ही नहीं. So this concept is clear to only those transactions are recorded in the book which are converted in the monetary form. So next concept is going concern concept. According to this concept hold that the business will continue its operation from in different periods, identifying periods, irrespective of the owners. Going concern concept, that is a focus. A business deal operations regularly. It's no matter owner is available and owner is not available, because a business going continue and the owner to be changed continue. If a business going concern, that means the business life is unlimited. And the business going on continue, just like a Reliance Industries after Dhirubhai Ambani's, Mukesh Ambani's, and the next it is the continue. So going concern concept only mentions to the this concept, the business running on properly continue, it is not end. So this concept refer to the all the expenditures and the revenues are recorded in the business in regularly. All the capital expenditures and the revenue expenditures are recorded in the regularly, because business is never end. According to the next is accounting period concept. Basically this concept is appropriate for those types of the business which are the stable a short period time, just like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, 2 year. This concept is basically all the transactions in a certain period regularly, just like a 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and within a 1 year and 2 years this business is goes out in. So all the transactions are calculated regularly in this types of the all the business events are recorded regularly, and it's the financial situations count regularly in a different period. Cost concept. According to this concept, all the assets of a business are recorded in their present value. Not. It's recorded in the value that times it is a purchase. That times it is purchase, because it is not mentioned at the market value at a time. So this concept is the basically maintain the cost concept, because it's recorded the cost of the assets and it's treated the decreasing in the value of the assets, and the valuate the total assets is available and total liabilities is available in the business. So it's a measurement the cost of the assets and the cost of the liabilities. Next is dual aspect concept. This concept is the focus to all the accounting transactions affected two accounts, because one side is the debit and the other side is credit. So all the accounting transactions affected two sides of the book, and it affected two books of account regularly. So this concept is related to the double aspect concept, just like one account is the debit and the other account is credit. So this aspect is basically related to the debit and credit aspects. So thank you. Next videos we are discussing about the more important topic today, there is the basic accounting concepts are the discuss with you. So let us try to next video to next topic. Thank you.